Welcome to Software to See from Festo. In this video, we're going to show you the email notification feature in Smartenance. In Smartenance, you can activate email notifications for reported incidents and changes of existing incidents. To activate email notifications for new incidents, select the machine and click on the bell icon, which will turn blue after activation. If you click on the bell again, the notifications for incidents will be deactivated and the bell will turn grey. Now create an incident for this machine. Click on the plus icon in the Incidents menu to report a new incident. Now enter a description of the incident. Then click on Save. Incidents reported via the Smartenance app will also be taken into account. An incident notification will now appear in your email inbox. The status Open and the description of the incident are displayed. By clicking on the incident, it'll open in Smartenance. To change the incident status, select the incident and click on the three dots icon on the right. Then select Edit. Set the status of the incident to In Work and click on Save. A notification that an incident on the machine you have subscribed to has been modified will now appear in your email inbox. You can also subscribe to all incidents from all machines. Click on All Incidents to get an overview of all incidents reported for all machines. By clicking on the switch Subscribe to All Incidents, you'll receive email notifications for incidents and changes on all machines. You can find more information about Smartenance and links to the free trial version in the video description. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep yourself informed. See you next time.